In this chapter, let us learn about while loops, Python loops. Python has two primitive loops commands, that is while loops and for loops. The while loop. With the while loop, we can execute a set of statements as long as the condition is true. For example, print I as long as I is less than 6. See here, the result is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember to increment I or else the loop will continue forever. The while loop requires relevant variables to be ready. In this example, we need to define an indexing variable I, which we set to 1. The break statement. With the break statement, we can stop the loop even if the while condition is true. For example, exit that loop with I is 3. See here, where this is the code and result is 1, 2, 3. The continue statement. With the continue statement, we can stop the current iterations and continue with the text. For example, continue to the next iteration if I is 3. See here, I is equal to 3. Continue. Note the number 3 is missing in the result. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 3 is missing. The else statement. With the else statement, we can run a block of code once when the condition no longer is true. See here, example, print a message once the condition is false. See here, 1 plus is equal to 1, else we are using else. I is no longer less than 6. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I is no longer less than 6. Okay friends, this is the end of part 17 in while loops. Next video, let us learn about another topic, for loops.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.